In this lesson, we'll be reviewing the shell command. The shell command removes all materials from a solid and leaves just the walls. Let's specify our parameters, such as wall thickness. Here we'll enter 3 millimeters. Press Enter, and let's select the faces we want to remove. Check Show Preview to see your results. If the Shell Outward box is checked, SolidWorks will create walls outside the solid. Uncheck it for now, and click OK. And here we have our solid. But what if we want one of our walls, or more than one, to be thicker than another? Let's right-click, select Edit Feature. The second box in our Property Management area is called Multi-Thickness Settings. That's where you take care of this. Select this area, and let's say we want this wall to be 15 millimeters. Type it in, press Enter. Here's your preview. Press OK. As a result, we have a solid with all walls 3 millimeters, except this one here, which is 15 millimeters.